The Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-W01 is a portable projector that aims to deliver both entertainment and productivity in a single device. With 3-chip 3 LCD technology, widescreen support, 3000 lumens of color and white brightness, a built-in 5-watt speaker, and projection capabilities up to 300 inches. This projector is designed to be versatile. On top of that, it's streaming ready, meaning you can watch content without needing an external device. Starting with the design, the unit is compact yet substantial. It's built for portability without compromising stability. The front houses the lens and air vents, while the top panel features intuitive controls. Adjustments are simple thanks to the focus wheel, and connectivity options are easy to access. It's lightweight enough to move between rooms or take outdoors, but still feels solid enough to last through frequent use. Projection quality is one of the highlights. The 3-chip 3 LCD system ensures vibrant colors and consistent brightness. With 3000 lumens for both color and white, images remain clear even in moderately lit spaces. Movies, presentations, and games all look sharp and colorful. Blacks aren't deep like high-end home theater models, but they are sufficient for general viewing and work purposes. The ability to project onto screens up to 300 inches adds flexibility. Whether it's a home theater setup, outdoor movie night, or business presentation, scaling is smooth. Keystone correction and alignment are handled automatically, making setup simple and hassle-free. Audio is often overlooked in portable projectors, but this model includes a 5-watt speaker. It's not going to replace a dedicated sound system, but it is loud and clear enough for casual viewing or small presentations. Combined with the bright and vivid image, it creates a complete portable experience. Streaming functionality is another strength. Apps are built in, so you can start watching without connecting a laptop or console. For those who want additional options, HDMI and USB ports allow for external devices to be connected. The setup is straightforward, making it easy to transition between entertainment and work. Portability is practical without sacrificing performance. This isn't a pocket projector, but it's easy enough to carry between locations. Power requirements are standard, so it can be used indoors or in areas where outlets are accessible. The balance between portability and functionality makes it versatile for different scenarios. For professional use, this projector performs well. Text is legible, colors remain consistent, and presentations look clean and professional. While it's not a dedicated office projector, it handles work tasks effectively while also providing a high-quality viewing experience for movies and streaming content. In conclusion, the Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-W01 is a highly versatile portable projector. Its combination of bright, accurate projection, streaming capabilities, built-in audio, and portability makes it ideal for home entertainment, outdoor viewing, and professional presentations. For those seeking a projector that can adapt to multiple situations without compromising quality, this model is definitely worth exploring. If you're interested in getting one, the link is available in the description below. It's a projector that manages to balance fun and functionality, delivering solid performance whether for work or leisure.